Hey everyone, here we are on the second floor in Bayridge. We have a true one bedroom, dine-in kitchen. There is a king-size living room, as you can see. Plenty of outlets in here for this giant closet with the pole in the middle. Here is a king-size bedroom. It's ginormous. Just gonna walk there real quick. All right. And there you have a bathroom. That's a very long bathroom. Newly tiled, very beautiful. There you have it. It's a one bedroom, king size, dine-in kitchen. Beautiful building.